Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, it's a day after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving and you got to eat all of the food that you wanted to. And usually in the past for me, it was like, oh my God, I can't move moments, right? Right before the walk and then the nap. But actually, I didn't do too bad yesterday and I enjoyed my food and yet I wasn't full and that was good. Yeah, but anyway, today what I have for you is a couple of things, actually, 3 things. First is my MAC order came in, and it's just a couple of items, but I thought I'd share it with you. And then the other thing is I want to reveal the winner for the Thanksgiving giveaway, which was actually the secret word was Thanksgiving. And so I'm going to do that. And I also have one more thing I owe you, which is the result of my Awesome Woman box results for the test, right? My moisture test. So I will reveal all that to you just in a moment. So just stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I said, there's a couple of things I want to do, but I don't want to make this recording way too long. But yeah, that's what she always says. But okay, yeah, I'm going to try my best, okay? So, but the first thing we do is the affirmation. So let me go ahead and find my motivations app. Okay, and let's see, what do I land on today? Okay, another long one. Here it is. And let me see what it says. It says, sometimes the bad things that happen in our lives put us directly on the path to the best things that will ever happen to us. Sometimes the bad things that happen in our lives put us directly in a path to the best things that will ever happen to us. I had to think about that for a little bit, so buy some time. But I can think of a really good thing that happened to me and the bad thing that led me to that. And that is true, because I can probably think of maybe a few things, but the things that comes to mind that was really devastating for me is that when I found Islam and when I knew this was my path, because I grew up with no religion. My parents didn't pick a religion for me because they thought that was a personal thing and I will figure it out when I grow up. But I did grow up with a lot of, discipline and a belief in God, definitely. But my father never wanted to choose it for me because it was chosen for him. And at the end, he ended up, converting to something else. And so he decided, I'm going to let her choose, but give her a really good foundation and tell her to study. And that's exactly what he did. And believe me, I've gone to so many churches, and so many fun churches and so many very serious churches and so many churches that I guess I just didn't get it. Okay, and so through my life, I looked and I read, I studied, I took comparative religion in college, I took New Testament, Old Testament, I took so many of these different humanity-based classes in search of it. And so for a while in my life, I just stopped searching. I said, you know what, I don't know, I just don't know. And then so when I found Islam, it was a very strange thing. And it was like, okay, this is a religion I would have never thought of even. I didn't even know it's a religion, to be honest with you. And then I rented a room to a college student who was Muslim, and while they were doing their master's program. And I got to know the religion. I got curious. And I started investigating, and I started, just kind of looking and studying, and then I started to understand, and it was like, wow, this is where I'm meant to be. And so, yeah, but the bad thing that happened is that my family didn't necessarily agree with my decision, my choice. Not my parents, because my parents were gone by then, but I know my mother and my father would have embraced me with it because they knew that would have been my decision and my choice, and especially my father, okay? He was a very open-minded man, and he had not a prejudiced bone in his body, all right? And so, yeah, but at the same time, I lost a lot, I lost a lot of people. I lost friends over it. I really did. And you know, I lost my ex-husband over it, okay? And so it was very devastating for me, and I wondered for, you know, a few years, you know, did I make the right decision? You know, I'm spending, you know, Thanksgiving alone year after year after year, and then did I make the right decision? My daughter was there to support me the whole time, but you know, but that was it. And so it was really difficult. It was such a hard time, and I'm going to say I had a really, you know, several years where I wonder, but the belief, the faith was so strong that I just couldn't walk away from it. I saw no reason to walk away from it. I only saw the good that came out of it, and the person that I became, and the care, the empathy that I started to really truly feel that it's always been there, but had never surfaced prior to me finding Islam. And so, and also, you know, a couple of years later, I met my husband, right? My current husband. And I mean, that is one of the best things that ever happened to me. It really is, aside from the fact that the day that my daughter was born. But aside from that, it has been the best day of my life. And to this day, I believe that I was meant to go through the pain. I was meant to walk through the path. I was meant to either give up or not give up. Either to fold to the society's expectations and go back to being wondering and walking around wondering, okay, what am I supposed to do now? But instead, the faith kept me there and made me stronger and a better person, guys, and made me such a better person. It really did. And so, yeah, sometimes the bad things that happen in our lives put us directly in a path to the best things that will ever happen to us. So definitely, I'm going to put a heart on this one. I'm probably got a whole library of things with the heart on it. But yeah, that's that. And so now my MAC order, and this is a very small order, and I'm just gonna open it for you. And I was actually gonna open it, I got it a few days ago, and I was gonna open it and do a look for you, but I figure, you know, I can always do that later. But let's just get this open because I'm curious as heck what is, you know, how it came. Oh, this is pretty though. Okay, it came like this. Like I said, only a couple of things in here, but it says MAC, the moment. I like that. And I'm going to be really careful in opening this because I want to keep this tissue because I could wrap things in it. And let's see how successful I am at that. Okay. Whoops. Yep. Not too successful. And, oh, okay. And then it comes like this. And there it is. And it's just like I said, just a couple of things. And this is the holiday. One of the things that I think I mentioned to you guys that, yeah, I didn't intend on buying anything this year, but I did buy like a couple of palettes that I really want, and that's it. I didn't go crazy and just buying anything and everything out there because they were selling it, and also it's new and it's in a better packaging or in a different packaging when the contents are the same, right? So I really have to think about it. So yeah, so let me just share with you what this is. I'll save this box because I think I can use this box to ship things in. That's a nice size box. So the couple of things, I always wait for this, you know, time of year because I know there's going to be on sale, and I usually buy a couple. And this is my mascara. And you guys know about this. I mean, this is the mascara that I go to, and the ones that, you know, that's the best one. I've tried other things, and it just, you know, this one is just the best. And you've seen it so many times. But I did get 2 of them because I don't keep my mascara no more than 6 months, and that is about the time you should get rid of it because, especially near your eyes, you don't want to get a bacterial infection or pink eye, right? And so what I do is, oh, in January 1st, I will pitch the other one, and then I'll open this one, and on July 1st, I'll open the second one, and by the time I finish them, it's time again for another sale. So I put some of these things in, you know, in a routine, and I do that with several things too. But the want, not the need, guys, the want is this MAC palette here. And I saw it, and I said, I really, really want it because it's really pretty. Let me see what it says in the back. It's size of the prize, eyeshadow times 25. That means there's 25 different shades in here. And I do love MAC shadows. And, you know, I was really introduced to makeup by a couple of brands. That was MAC and Urban Decay. Urban Decay, I just, it's sad, and they had a great sale season, but their quality has really gone down, but MAC has always kept up. And this is really nice. You open it like this, and you can, this was meant to be gifted. And here is this is to and from. And here are the shades, but let's go ahead and open it actually so I can show you what it looks like. And I will make a look for you sometime very soon with this, but I am interested in making a look for you using a Pat McGrath palette that I should be getting as well. And that one I'll do an opening, an unboxing, and a look at the same time, okay? And so it comes even tissue wrapped. Oh my, this is very beautiful. Look at this. This thing spit, ooh, look. You're getting sleepy. Yeah, that's nice. And let's see how this opens. And it's nice aesthetics, it's plastic. And let's see how you open. Okay, here we go. I'm sure there's gonna be, oh my goodness. It's a huge mirror, guys. And there it is, a huge mirror. I'm turning it sideways so I don't blind you. And here are the shades. I mean, these are gorgeous, guys. I love the fact that the purple, and I mean, actually like a, you know, pinky blends into a purples, blends into the blues, into the greens, and then the neutrals. This is actually a very nice palette. And you know what I love about this? The shadow sizes are very small. I mean, they're not very small in a way of too small, but perfect because I mean, I can see myself hitting pan with something like this without, you know, having to recycle it or, you know, getting rid of it because I got tired of it. But take a look at this. These are very beautiful shades. And of course, it has the black here and the deep purples. And I mean, look at this, the green. So this is definitely a palette that you can use year round. I mean, you have your spring and summer colors in here, and you have your holiday colors in here, including, you know, all of these darks that you could use in a winter time. So this is an all year round palette. I really do like it. Yeah, what do you think? And I believe, I mean, this was pretty affordable, especially when they had, this was part of the 30% sale. So, and I want you to know, all of the products that I have purchased, I have gotten them at a minimum of 25%. Usually higher than that. I think, yeah, I think they were all, even Pat McGrath, I got 30% off on hers. And this one here was 30% off. And so, yeah, that's what I decided to do this year. I'm not going to beat everybody to the punch and try to be the first one to get it. I'm going to be the smartest one to get it. Yeah, okay. So that's that. Okay, that is a couple of things complete. And the next thing I want to do is, you remember the test that I did with the Awesome Woman, which is a skin strip test? It's gone there. And here's the results here. And remember, my prediction for my face was going to be between normal and normal and dry. And then for my body, it was going to be either dry to very dry, right? And then the range went from normal, dry, very dry for the face. And I said I'll be between normal and dry. And for the body, it's normal, dry, very dry, and severely dry. And I predicted it would be between dry and very dry. And you know what? I got it right. Okay, here we go. Here's the face strip. And this is between, I don't know if the camera will capture it very well, but you see this is between here and here. You may not be able to see the little white speckles that's here that makes it dry, but it is there. And so it's not quite totally normal, but it is in between dry, but definitely is not very dry. So take a look here. That's the face part, okay? And then for the body part, and I predicted dry to very dry, and definitely is between that. And it is probably more towards dry than very dry, but if you look, I don't know if you can see the, you know, the whiteness in this, and it is definitely between there. So yeah, so I predicted it right. And so in other words, I know my skin pretty good. And so it was a fun test, guys. But if you really know your skin so well, it's probably not a kit that you're gonna want. And also it's a little pricey. Like I said, it was $149 for 3 boxes. And that makes it about a little less than $50 each box. So is each box worth a little less than $50? I don't really think so, to be honest with you. So yeah, so if you decide you want to get it, I mean, make it for fun, okay? Because I have found the brand that I love, and that is The Ordinary, and as well as Paula's Choice. So I will definitely stick to them. And I'm gonna have to see if I'm gonna go ahead and try this regimen, or, you know, I don't know. Let's see, because some of the brands that's in there I'm familiar with, and I know it doesn't work for me, whereas others I do like, but never used, okay? So, okay, that's that. And so let's go and I owe you the winner for the November 22nd giveaway. And guess what? I got a tripod, a miniature one. It's a wonky one, but I was able to settle down so that way you're not seeing me move, but I'm still working out the kinks and the bugs out of it, so please be patient with me. So anyway, let's jump to that. Here is our commercial break. Okay, it's that time, my beautiful wildflowers. We are going to pick the winner for the Thanksgiving giveaway. Well, the secret word was Thanksgiving, but it wasn't quite a Thanksgiving giveaway. And so what we will do is right now, I have already included the video URL here. We will filter for duplicate users, and we will go ahead and filter comments based on a specific text. And we set the word as Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. There we go. And I'm trying to do this on a tripod for the first time, so I'm not so shaky. And so I'm hoping that this kind of works out. So here we go. Let's see how many unique comments we have here. And this, okay, there was 36 comments of Thanksgiving. And this was also on, let's see, November 22nd is when this video came out, right? And so let's go ahead and see. Okay, here we go. And we will go ahead and start the drawing. So let's see what we have. Lorraine B, okay. She said, did you like the mask? I also got it in my Xbox. I wish you a safe, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for sharing your progress on your room. Okay, Lorraine, let's see. Let's go ahead and go to the channel so we can see if you are actually subscribed to me publicly. And here we go, and we go really fast, like, yep, oh, okay, that was it. So I could have probably found that okay, but then we're gonna do this anyway. And let's say function F. And, hold on. Oh wait, not function, it was command F. I keep forgetting that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, and here it is, enter that, and there it is. And she is subscribed to me. And congratulations, Lorraine. So this is official. And also notice that I have 873 subscribers, getting close to the 900. But for now, let's go back to the regular programming. Okay, congratulations, Lorraine. Well done. And the rest of your beautiful wildflowers, please don't be discouraged. As I was saying, you saw I'm at 872, was it? Yeah. And so I'm getting close. And when I get to 880, I will go ahead and release the 900 beautiful wildflower giveaway, and that will be a milestone giveaway. So this one will be quite bigger than the 850 giveaway, right? And so, and I also put a put a question out there and community tab of, what would you like to see in it? And I'm just trying to get a feel for it. So yeah, if you just hop on over to the community tab and take a look and take the poll, that'd be great, so I know what is that you guys are really interested in. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, again, congratulations to Lorraine. As usual, please do reach out to me via email or by Instagram, and my email address is at the bottom of every details in my videos, okay? And so, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your day with me. So I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this, but it does not matter. But just remember what does. In a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.